Hi there guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a page in Google Chrome. Stick around till the end. Please make sure that you're using Google Chrome as this tutorial is specifically for Google Chrome. Now that you are on your browser, load up your page. So for example, I'm gonna pop up German newspaper. Gonna open the first link, and here are some links. Sorry, go ahead again. Let's open another one. This looks to be working. Let's click right here, and here is our German newsletter. You see, I'm already struggling with the language barrier. And here is a pop-up from Google Chrome itself that's telling us, oh, would you like to translate this page to English? And I'm going to leave this in German in case that this pop-ups doesn't come to you. And which I'm probably supposing the case. That's why you're watching this tutorial. If so, go ahead and click add on a new tab or Control T and search Google extensions. Or you can directly search for chrome.google.com. As you can see, it's the web store. Right here, I'm going to click on this logo and search the following. Google Translate. You can even find it in the homepage right here. I'm going to click enter. And then the first thing, which is translate.google.com. Make sure it has the most reviews. Click on it. Click on add to Chrome on the top right corner. Click add extension. And then click on turn in sync. I'm gonna close this pop-up right here, and I'm gonna go back to my page which I'm looking to translate. On the top right corner, you're gonna find extensions. Click on it. It's gonna have a small pop-up like this. So again, click on it and click on pin for Google Translate, and here it is. Now click on the Google Translate and click translate this page. Again, click on it. Click on translate this page. And that's basically it. It should work out for you. If it didn't work out, just make sure that you have the right extension. Thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.